welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. I do. If you want to see what I'm here to unbox, y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, your girl got her a small little item from Louis Vuitton, and y'all already know here on this channel I share no matter what it is. See what I have in this little bag, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to keep on watching. Y'all know I have stories to tell. Real quick, if y'all want to pass through it, then just pass through the story, but really quick, this is this item online, you all. I have a wish list. Like, looking to purchase hard to find items, I highly recommend you making a wish list. Like, I have a wish list of items, not looking to purchase everything, but I just had them in my wish list of things that I'm looking to purchase in the future, like way down in the future. And this particular item, rolling in the middle of the night, because I wake up, I can't sleep, became available. I instantly clicked on it, purchased the item. In a day or two, it shipped, coming from, I think, Texas. The time when I purchased online from Louis Vuitton, it does not come from Texas. I think it comes from somewhere over Jersey, like a warehouse type thing. So when I saw that it came from Texas, I'm like, okay, it's coming from a store. Like, okay, whatever, you know. Hard to find item I did purchase at a Louis Vuitton inside of Neiman Marcus. So again, this was my first time ever doing it online. From Texas. So I was just watching the shipment. It was saying that it was supposed to come, I think, on January the 11th. It was on the truck for delivery or out for delivery. It was something like that, to where as though I was waiting for the item. I think it said it was supposed to be delivered within that day. Got up until like 8 o'clock. So of course, 8 o'clock come around. Like after 6, 7, I was like, okay, the item is not coming. And I was like, I'm not going to trip, because I was waiting for something else. So I was like, okay, maybe it's going to come with my other items and I can just do an unboxing. I can just share the unboxing that particular day. So it didn't show up. So then I started to notice that it was stuck in Roswell, Georgia. So I'm like, okay, it went from delivery to now it's stuck. So I call UPS. They talking about something about fraud or whatever. So I called Louis Vuitton and I'm like, what are they talking about, fraud? Because anything fraud, if it was something fraud, they wouldn't even ship the item out, you all. So I was like, give it a day or two and call back. So of course it didn't come. I called back. So Louis Vuitton opened up an investigation because, you know, I didn't get my item. Story short, I didn't get my item, but what was weird to me was, okay, y'all so-called lost the item, but it was able to ship back to wherever it came. So I was confused on that. So I was like, moving forward, store or actually calling someone, because I don't know what happened far as the item that was hard to find. Because sometimes I feel like that the person who, because I kept telling her, can't you call the location that it came from? I feel like, did they really ship the item? Did they really have it? Because it's like hard to find. So I'm like, if it's hard to find, you know, maybe it popped up saying it was available and then it was, I don't know, you all, but they did charge my card for that particular item. So long story short, I did get my money back. So when I small to purchase this other item, I got this, my wish list, and I start asking for the different items just so I can see it in person and make sure that's the item that I want, you know, just to see what it looks like in person or whatever. So a lot of stuff she didn't have available, but she had this. She had it in both styles. So I was able to see both. So I ended up picking the one that I originally ordered. So said, now that was a long story. I have 2 bags here. She took care of me. I'm going to leave her information down below, you all, because when I tell you, if you in the Atlanta area, please check her out, y'all. I'm telling you, she gave me this. This is not the item, but I'm gonna show you what she gave me. And some perfume samples, you all. She gave a bag to me, and she also gave a bag to my daughter. So my daughter has this same little Louis Vuitton set with the perfume samples, full size. And eventually I think I will, because if y'all didn't know, you can get your name engraved on the Louis Vuitton perfume bottles. And also, y'all, let me know down below if the Louis Vuitton perfume bottles, are they refillable? Like, can you pay to get them refilled? Give me a bunch of perfume samples, and y'all, when I tell you, she just made my experience so nice, you all. The goodies, and it's on the same, everything is in here as far as the receipt, because I did do 2 separate purchases. Is the new blue ribbon. I'm sure y'all probably already know what this is. Is the little dust bag. Like I said, it's a SLG. Nothing major, but something I wanted. Easy because I had this item before. Like, if you follow me from back like way back in the day when I was filming off of my MacBook, I purchased this, but I ended up returning it. I don't know why. Falling in love with this again, and the reason why is because, y'all, this may sound crazy, but before I work at, when I tell you these ladies come in that store with Golden Goose sneakers, Louis Vuittons, Goyard, is that how you say that? Bags, and a lot of the teenager girls come in my store, and the men, with this hair pouch. So I kept seeing it and seeing it and seeing it. So I was like, you know what? I want this pouch again. As y'all know, I have a lot of little pouches that I just purchased. But y'all, I couldn't get this out of my head. So this is what I ended up purchasing. I have both. And I was surprised because I was able to grab myself one. So happy to get this, because this is another hard to get item on Louis Vuitton. Like, I can't even link this for you all because it's not available. This is why I said you need a good essay and you need to call and check. I don't think you have to live in the Atlanta area to deal with my essay. Her information down below, because I'm sure if you call her, just let her know what you want, and I'm sure she can ship it, because that's what the Louis Vuitton and Neiman Marcus has been doing for me. So I'm sure she could do the same. So again, let her know Miss Tamika sent you. I held this stuff for a week because, like I said, I wanted to do the unboxing first. I noticed you can kind of see through the bottom. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm gonna have to look into that and make sure, watch it and make sure, because I don't know if you can see that. A pair of scissors and cut a piece of string, this whole wallet is going to fall apart. Like, I have to look at some reviews, because like I said, if this is a bad one, I'm gonna have to let her know. But yeah, I'm just happy to be able to get this, because when I tell you, like I said, it's really hard to find. You just pull the little latch up. I remember when I first got it, I didn't know how to unhook it, but all you do is just pull this little latch up and you can put your keys on it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna place it on here and just have everything hanging like so. I will show you the bag that I just did a unboxing on, so make sure you watch this here video. I will leave it up in the cards, you all, because the cards can fit in this particular wallet. I plan to use this for like loose change and things. So like I said, I think I have 11 or 12 cards. Cards fit perfectly in the inside, and I'm sure I can put more in here. I'm just so happy that I have my matchy. Like I said, I'm not a matchy type of person, but I did want this in the damier print, because I do have I'm a BB, the Graceful, and then I have the Odeon. I think that's how you pronounce it, PM. Let me just go ahead and get the damier bean one. Now you can hang it like so, but I'm not sure if I would put it here. Like, if I did hang it like that, I could tuck it in here like something cute. Like if I needed to grab something, I can just grab what I need and then tuck it back in here. So that would be cute to put this hair item like here. Worry about, you know, opening the top part of this hair zipper, and you don't have to worry about it falling out. This thing do have a magnet. I don't think I mentioned that in the unboxing. That's why I always do a part 2, so whatever I miss I can share in part 2. You can tell that the wallet is in the bag, but you can see this here hanging. Good place to put it. But if not, put it in the inside of my bag. Sure where I'm going to, if I'm gonna carry this on my keys, or if I'm gonna just use this as a little extra accessory inside of my bag. Well, this was a really quick unboxing. Let me know down below if y'all have this, like, do y'all see what I see on here on your particular key pouch? Because again, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, because like honestly, I think the Gucci one is better quality. To be honest, I should have got the Gucci one. It was a little more. I'm unhappy about my purchase. I am happy that I did get it, but yeah, I did have to go through a lot to get this, because like I said, I actually purchased this item online. But anyway, you all, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this really quick unboxing. It wasn't long. I'll do a updated review on this particular item. Give you a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.